Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Bitnami services on an EC2 instance, full guide step by step clearly. To disable Bitnami services on an EC2 instance, first, connect to your EC2 instance using SSH. Open your terminal or command prompt. Use the SSH command to connect, replacing your key.pem with your private key file and EC2 user at your EC2 public DNS with your instance's public DNS. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Bitnami installation directory. Typically, this is located at /op/bitnami. To view the services currently running, use the command sudo /op/bitnami/killscript.sh status. Identify the services you want to disable from the displayed list. To stop a specific service, use the command sudo /op/bitnami/killscript.sh stop service _name. Replace service _name with the name of the service you wish to stop, such as Apache, MySQL, or PHP-FPM. Confirm that the service has stopped by using the status command again. If you wish to disable the service from starting automatically at boot, you need to edit the init script. Open the script using a text editor, for example, sudo nano /op/bitnami/killscript.sh. Locate the section of the script that starts the service you want to disable. Comment out or remove the lines that initiate the service. Save the file and exit the text editor. To ensure changes take effect, reboot your EC2 instance using the command sudo reboot. Once the instance boots up, log in again via SSH. Run the status command one more time to verify that the service does not start automatically. You have successfully disabled the selected Bitnami services on your EC2 instance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.